Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill. Princess D Ventures Incorporated. Total commitment to providing quality and on-time services. Ang programang ito ay hatid din sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Choose the internet that you deserve. Experience better with Converge. And supported by Vice Governor Dennis Pineda, promoting youth and community development through sports.
Welcome to UCAAP 2018 Semifinals! Magkakaalaman po muli sa bawat kampo ng mga atletang nagsusumikap na makapasok sa finals kung sino ang angat sa pinakamalaking paliga ng basketball dito sa Central Luzon. Magbabanggaan po ngayon sa semifinals ang isa sa mga pambato ng mga Angileño, ang Systems Plus College Foundation Blue Panthers laban po sa minamanok ng mga Fernandino, ang Colegio de Sebastian. Kuyang Rudy, kilalanin natin ang first starting player ng Blue Panthers ng Systems Plus College Foundation.
Para sa Systems Plus Blue Panthers, first five, we have number 10, Jared Ilambuera, power forward. Number 8, Francis Ian Yumon, center. Number 16, Joshua Pineda, point guard. Number 22, Justin Tumaliwan. Number 45, Jomari Naku, shooting guard. And with their coach, our idol coach, Autumn Kison.
Salamat, Rudy. Kilalanin naman natin ang first starting player ng Colegio de Sebastian. 23, Sian Morales. Number 9, Vince Lagman, ang kanilang sentro. Number 6, Kelvin Dalus, point guard. Number 27, Lester Aguas, forward. Number 2, John Stevenson Simon. At ang kanilang masipag na coach, Jerry Flores. Simulan na natin, Kuyang Rudy Montera, ang pinakamatinding bakbakan ng basketball dito sa Central Luzon. Ito po ang UCAAP 2018. Kumusta, Coach Rudy? Itong laban na to ay talagang makikita natin kung sino ang aangat hanggang finals. No? Mula po dito sa Junior Division ng UCAAP 2018, ang haba nitong pinagdaanan ng dalawang koponan. Kilalanin mo muna kung sino itong mga namumurong ace player ng magkabilang koponan. Mula dito sa Systems Plus College, sino bang hindi nakakikilala dito sa number 8 na si Yumol?
Si Yumil for 11 games, he accumulated a total of 133 points and averaging 13 assists, and for the whole games, 20 steals and offensive rebound, 37, defensive rebound, and 40. So medyo talagang masipag tong batang to.
At syempre sa Colegio de Sebastian, itong si Dalus, jersey number 6.
Si Dalus naman, they played 12 games. He had 4 3-point conversions games with a field goal percentage of 10.75, total of 28 assists and 12 steals, and defensive rebound 10, defensive rebound 9, and 1 block.
Eto na po, nag-uumpisa na po ang matinding ball game dito po sa Junior Division UCAAP 2018.
So we have a turnover. Bola po ng Spears, CDF. Trying to set up an inbound play. Number 23 gets the ball. Passes to the point guard. Number 6. Screen. Hindi nag-roll. Looking for the open man. Ship ties aside. The semblance of a motion opens. Passes to the middle. And nakuha po ang bola ng Systems Plus. Yumul tried to make some space. Passes to number 16, Pineda. Passes to 21. Takes the shot. Misses. Rebound number 6. And we have an offensive foul by number 6.
First quarter pa lamang yan, Coach Rudy, pero ibang klase itong ipinapakita ng mga manlalaro dito sa UCAAP 2018.
Kitang-kita mo kaagad yung intensity ng both teams, no? Both on offense and defense. Talagang sa depensa mahigpit. That's why they're having a hard time operating the offense, but that was a well-executed play. Just so happened that na-miss lang yung shot ni Naku. Maganda yung play na yan. CDS ball now, number 2, trying to take the shot. Misses. Number 10, rebound. Passes to Pineda, the premier point guard of the Systems Plus. But there's a steal by number 2 from CDS.
Mukhang sunod-sunod na turnover, Coach Rudy, ang nakikita natin ngayon dito.
Number 2 tried a pass there but intercepted, but it's out of bounds for the Spears.
Coach Rudy, bilang isang coach, habang palapalapit na itong finals, ano yung mga pinaghahandaan ninyo kapag sa mga ganitong ball game na kung saan kitang-kita mo na kung sino yung mga atleta mo na pwede mong isabak?
Usually, pag ganyang palapit na yung finals, identified mo na kung sino talaga yung player na gagamitin mo. Some coaches would use like 7 to 8 players only to really maximize the plays that they execute. Pero tingin ko ang mas importante, mental toughness. Sa dami ng nilaro nila, minsan, importante yon kasi yung physical nandun na eh. They are well trained. So, mental toughness na lang talaga, composure in their character.
Puntos mula po dito sa Systems Plus College.
Number 27 for CDS. 3-point attempt, misses. So rebound by Naku, passes to Pineda, then to number 10. Sorry, miss. Tumama po sa board. Number 8, dribbling the ball for CDS. Passes to number 27, takes the shot, air ball. Rebound by number 2 and foul by number 45 of Systems Plus. Kung matitingnan mo, Coach, ang score natin, Sir, Pao, 0-2 pa lang, pero we've been playing for like more than 2 minutes already. So it only means na mahigpit ang depensa ng both teams.
Pansin naman natin, no? Itong mga itinatayang mga manlalaro ng kada kupunan, namamayagpag itong kanilang performance sa mga nakalipas pa lamang na ball game.
So we have a tied game, 2-all. Expect Systems Plus to set up a play. Pineda dribbling. Calls out the play. A cut by the center. Goes to the baseline. Yumul trying to work on it. And there's a good defensive stance by the CDS and they got the ball, but outside. Sayang ang bola. Sabi nga ng mga coaches.
Alam mo, Coach Rudy, hindi lamang sa telebisyon, inaabangan itong ball game na to, kundi sa social media, dumadami yung followers ng UCAAP 2018.
Oo, last time I checked, nasa 6 digits na yung followers ng UCAAP. Systems now start to employ a trap defense, and it's resulted in a foul. Foul by Naku.
Muli ang programa pong ito.
Substitution, Naku out, Sabado in.
Ng CLTV 36 Sports, VGC Concrete Batching Plan. We commit and we fulfill.
Nice block. But CDS got the ball again, but loses it. Scrambling for the ball. Number 6 got it for CDS. And shot clock.
Coach Rudy, mukhang pinahihirapan ng husto nitong Systems Plus College, itong CDS sa depensa.
I think na talagang 14 ni Coach Jerry Flores. Even with his college team, talagang number 1 in depensa sa kanila. So ball is with CDS, but steal by number 10 from Systems Plus, and a counter steal by number 9 of CDS. So kung makikita po natin, talagang ang higpit ng depensa ng bawat kupunan. So that's why we have a low score, because defense is number 1 with both of these teams. Rebound by number 27 for CDS. Follow up, and it's good. We are now tied at 4-4.
Magandang follow-up yun, Coach Rudy.
Pineda setting up the play again. Nice cut, nice pass. It's a give and go play.
Alam mo, Coach Rudy, kahit junior division itong mga manlalaro na to, kitang-kita mo meron talaga tayong pwedeng ipanlaban dito sa mga senior level. No? Kasi kung sa tangkad at performance ang pag-uusapan natin, halos kung minsan kayang tapatan nitong mga nasa junior division ng UCAAP.
Oo naman. Kasi sa training, in terms of training, halos pareho lang naman ang ginagawa ng college and junior teams. It just so happen maybe sa college mas malalaki ang katawan, mas matatangkad. Pero in terms of hustle and speed, kayang-kaya sumabay ng junior team. So free throw by number 23 for the Spears. First attempt is good. Second is on the way. And also good. So we are tied again at 6. Pangatlong deadlock na po natin to since the start.
Dikit talaga itong labanan ng Systems Plus College at Collegiate de Sebastian.
Number 8 of CDS, but a steal by Pineda, the point guard of Systems Plus. He just passed by 3 defensive players. That's the kind of point guard you have there, a premier point guard from Systems Plus.
Yun ang
Number
galaw
16,
na hindi
Pineda.
kayang banggain. No?
I'm not just sure kung kamag-anak siya ni Vice Governor Delta Pineda, pero this kid has been playing really well.
Pansin ko, Coach Rudy, yung determinasyon nitong Systems Plus College, buong-buo, mula pa lamang sa pag-rebound ng bola, nakikilala natin itong mga star player na bukod sa liksi, gilas, yung determinasyon, napakahalaga nito.
Actually, resulta din talaga yan ng extensive training nila. If you have a coach like Coach Autumn Quezon, talagang expected ng mga players na well-trained and well-conditioned. Sabado has the ball, passes it downstairs. CDS has the ball, but Pineda has a counter steal outside in favor of Systems Plus. Oshum trying to give instruction for an inbound play. Oh, it's CDS ball. So this is a attempt by CDS, misses, a rebound by number 8. Looking for the open man, guarded by Pineda. And we have an offensive foul by was it an offensive foul or a blocking foul? I'm sorry, for number 16. Inbound play again for CDS. Familiar play. Good defense by Systems Plus. Wala pong napasahan ang inbounder. Good defense.
Coach Rudy, napakahalaga nitong ball game na to para sa magkabilang koponan dahil itong semifinals, bukod dito sa pagsusumikap nila na makapasok sa finals, may kanya-kanyang dahilan kung ano ang gusto nilang patunayan dito sa paligang ito. Lalong-lalo na yung mga pambato ng kada bayan dito sa Pampanga.
Actually, for both teams, they're known to be powerhouses in their respective tournaments. Kaya pagka sumali ka dito sa Delta Cup, sa UCAAP, if you win here, it means you're the best in Pampanga. So if you want to be the best, join Delta Cup and be the champion. Yun po talagang target ng mga teams natin. As you can see, hindi po lahat are invited to play. So lahat ng na-invite dito are really good teams and malalakas, sabi nga nila.
Bola po ngayon ng Systems Plus. Bato sa 3 ni Pineda. Wala.
So by the way, Sir G, ang mananalo dito ay ang makakalaban naman ng mananalo sa game ng SAIP and Sindalan. And abangan din natin yon later. Magandang-gandang laro din yon.
Alam mo, nababanggit mo yung laban sa SAIP, leading team ito. Pero sa mga nakalipas na laban nila dito sa pagitan ng Systems Plus College, naging dikit din yung laban. Kanya lang yung branding nitong St. Augustine Institute of Pampanga, natambakan. Ganun yung ugali ng mga atleta ng SAIP. Una, mahigpit muna laban. Pero pagka umabot ka ng third quarter, nagpabaya ka, tatambakan ka talaga, Coach Rudy.
Oo. They are not the defending champions for nothing. Talagang well-trained din sila. So sometimes, yung toughness towards the end of the game, dun mo makikita yung character ng isang team. So, I think they have that, but let us not discount kung sino yung mananalo dito kasi lahat ng nasa Final Four ngayon, malalakas na teams at talagang pinaghahandaan nila yung laro sa Delta Cup.
Ang gandang fast break doon kanina. Dikit talaga laban, 10-all.
So it's same ball for Systems Plus. Substitution. Number 14 in, number 2 out for CDS. Pineda inbounding. Velasco has the ball. Dribbling, trying to looking for the open man. Passes it, but there's a steal by number 11 of CDS. And drives, shoots, but doesn't make it. Sabado rebound. Pasa kay Pineda. Pinasa ni Pineda kay Ramirez and deflected by a CDS player.
Alam mo, Coach Rudy, pansin ko pa dito sa mga manlalaro ng UCAAP, ano? Bihira yung mga player dito na kinakapitan ng pagod. Lahat sila, antindi nila pag pumasok na sa hardcourt. Yung performance nila, hindi nawawala to the highest level ng kanilang lakas.
Credit that to the conditioning coaches ng bawat team. Kasi kung talagang hindi ka condition, baka first quarter pa lang, hindi ka na makasabay sa kalaban mo. But with these teams, talagang alam mo na training pa lang, binibigay na nila 100% nila. Side court throw-in for CDS. Number 23 has the ball. Point guard gets it. Trying to look for the open man. Passes to number 17. Missed shot. Systems plus ball. Kung mapapansin mo, pinapasok na ni Coach Otom yung kanyang mga big men.
Pero may mga manlalaro itong Systems Plus College na bagamat maliit, pero yung kanilang kaluluwa napakalaki. Lalong-lalo na pag pinag-uusapan mo yung kanilang tindig sa paghawak ng bola, Coach Rudy.
Oo. Talagang, kumbaga sa these guys undergo a training na pang Manila na yung training nila. So, expect na matitibay na at matitigas na yung mga katawan yan. At sa dami ng kanilang training days, I think they train every day. So, talagang gagaling at mag-i-improve ka. At lalo na kung may kasama ng disiplina at talagang they go to training every day, hindi na-late, they would improve. At gagaling itong mga batang ko. Rojas, number 7, has the ball. Passes to number 9, okay? We're trying to get the open man. Shot clock. Expired on that.
Coach Rudy, dun sa shot clock violation, dun mo makikita yung diskarte ng kada manlalaro, no? Kung paano paikutin ng bola at paano yung pagpaplano.
Sometimes kasi it depends on the defense being employed. Kapag talagang mahigpit yung defense, may hirapan mag-execute ng play yung offense. So, when time runs out, credit that to the defense. Kasi yung mga set plays naman, hindi yan nakaset for 24 seconds. Usually, mga 15 to 18 seconds, you try to take the shot. But if you're not able to take the shot, ibig sabihin walang open man. So, pag walang open man, maganda yung depensa. Free throw by number 5, CDS. Overshoots, number 17. 33 has the ball, Angeles. And a tap by number 5 of the Spears. So again, credit that to good defense. We're almost done with the first quarter, but we're deadlocked at 10 because of good defense for both teams. Rojas has the ball, takes the shot. Tumama sa backboard.
Muli, ang programa pong ito ay edit sa inyo ng CLTV 36 Sports, BGC Concrete Matching Plan. We commit and we fulfill. Coach Rudy, ang score natin ay
CDS.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plan. We commit and we fulfill. Princess D Ventures Incorporated. Total commitment to providing quality and on-time services. programang ito ay hatid din sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Choose the internet that you deserve. Experience better with Converge. And supported by Vice Governor Delta Pineda, developing youth through education, leadership training, talents, and athletics.